this here is our tasting room where we host tastings and workshops. And this morning we are going to do the cocktail creation workshop, starting with the Rémy Grand Tonic, which was created by our mixologist here at Rémy Martin. So I'm starting with the Rémy Martin VSOP, which I need to pour 5 centiliters of in my glass, filled with ice. Five centiliters. Followed by vermouth, extra dry vermouth, made 5 kilometers from Cognac, 10 centiliters. We add tonic to make it nice and fresh, and we've chosen the Mediterranean tonic by Tree. Just a quarter of lemon, and we stir. And that's it.
Michael, you're going to show me how to make a 1738 sidecar cocktail this morning.
Absolutely. A revisited sidecar by Rémy Martin with 1738 Cognac right here.
Okay.
So you start by, we use a shaker for this cocktail, and we put everything in the shaker with ice, shake it, and then pour it in the glass.
Okay.
You need 30 milliliters, so 3 centiliters of 1738. I have a measuring glass here.
Straight into the shaker, I presume?
Straight into the shaker.
Right.
Next you need 20 milliliters of QUATER.
Okay. Here.
And in this now with the same side you need 10 milliliters of lemon juice, which I've squeezed here. And you could add ice in the shaker.
Nice. Okay.
Close the shaker.
Close the shaker. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
And now a little sip. Now you can decorate either with a twist of lemon or with a dried orange or lemon.
Okay. I'm going to take dried orange, and you put it directly in, or you put it on the side? Okay. There you go. Okay. Great. So we've got a 1738 sidecar here.